Here's how to make Nettle. I, I don't know what that is, but Nico Metal Sonic. I guess I don't know. Anyway, real hair 29. Head AC 73. Front hair. Oh crap. Front hair 65. Ponytail 19. Tail 3. Head AC 111. Oh. Glasses. Glasses 22. I'm getting my nose. Jacket 34. Pants 25. Belt 8. That's me suffering because I gotta go to the bathroom so bad, but I want to finish this without nobody looking. Oh yeah, I did it. Anyway, my camera can focus. Okay. 6,794 shoes, legs. Socks 3. Scarf 3,850. Oh my god. Crap. I heard somebody get up. In my house, I heard somebody get up. I heard somebody. Frick. Oh god. I guess cape 2 for cape. And anyway, 5,652 for face. I gotta hurry up because I keep hearing footsteps in my house. I mean, my grandma's house, but okay. Anyway, 4,394 for the black stuff, and for 97 for eyes, and yeah, that's it. And for the color, pause and copy, 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 pause and copy. And for sleeves, it's 73. Yeah, it's 70. It's 70. It's 73. So, oh yeah, eyes. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Just copy it. And that's it.